If you want to get the iPhone ringtone on the Xiaomi 15T or 15T Pro, what you can do is you can go to the Play Store, and then over here we can download an app that allows us to get the iPhone ringtone. So we're gonna go to search here, and we can simply type iPhone ringtone. There we go. And of course we will be able to find a bunch of different apps that should be able to provide us the iPhone ringtone. But in my case, I'm gonna use this one over here. So feel free to try any other app that you can find in the Play Store over here, if, for example, this one doesn't work for you. But in this video, I'm gonna mention this one. I'm gonna show you how to set it up and how to use it in order to get the ringtone. So we're gonna, of course, open the app and you will see some ads in the meantime. So of course, we wanted to skip them when it's possible. We need to grant permissions for the app so that the app can actually set the ringtone for us. There we go. And of course, we can tap on the play button over here in order to listen to the ringtone. And once you find the ringtone that you actually want to set, we can tap on these three dots on the right side. And then over here, we can tap on the ringtone at the bottom. Once again, of course, we have an ad, but we can close it soon after that. And we should see this information that the ringtone has been set successfully. But just to make sure that it is actually set up, I'm gonna go to sound and vibration settings, and over here unfortunately it seems that the ringtone was not set up, so I'm gonna tap on ringtone over here, and we can choose a local ringtone, go to audio files, and you should be able to find the downloaded ringtone over here, the ringtone from the app. It should be downloaded, you should be able to find it over here in audio files, so we can select it to add it to the list, and then we can tap on apply, and of course we can choose it to be used for the SIM. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.